NY Bay Dewy Drops Foundation. Sounds something new? Of course, this is a new launch product. If you want to see the demo of this product, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchgar Hauls and Reviews. From the initial intro, thumbnail, you all have got a little bit of idea. Yes, yet another new launch from NY Bay. Going to review the same. This is a foundation from their particular range, or maybe you can say collection. This is NY Bay Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation. This is the product what I'm going to talk about today in this video, as well as I'll show you the demo as well. Now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you watch my video, please don't forget to like the video, also share the video, and whatever the timestamps will be there, it will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check. If at all you are here only for a particular time, you can directly go to that timestamp and you can watch the video, whatever part you want to see. Right, now let's begin with the video. First we'll start with the outer covering. The outer packaging of the foundation is this. This is, it says it is black matte packaging. It says NY Bay Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation, and it is written in the silver font. And on the one side they have how to use, key ingredients, everything they have given you. Then say on the third side, marketed by and everything, plus batch number. Manufacturing is 0921, expiry is 0224. So not total 3 years, you are going to get 2.5 years approximate. And the MRP of this foundation is 229 rupees, and it is for 30 ml. The net content is 30 ml. That is what is given over here. And on the fourth side, when you check the covering, they say lightweight, yes. They say comfortable on skin, we'll check. They say provides a full coverage, not sure, and natural UV finish. Right now whatever you can see on my face, I have not applied any setting spray. So this is this after applying the foundation, you can say. For me, I will not say this is a dewy foundation. I will not say even this is matte, but this is not dewy as well. So this is what the foundation outer covering says. Now when we talk about the inner packaging comes in a glass frosted bottle. This is the frosted bottle. You all can see it says NY Bay Liquid Foundation. Nothing else is given over here. Shade number is given 09, I guess. Something is embossed over here. Okay, and when you check on the back, they have just given you a sticker of the shade name. That is only given on the tube. It comes, sorry, not tube, on the bottle. It is a glass bottle. I have already told you. It comes with a silver cap. You just have to open the cap. Now, one thing I would like to get into your notice is this particular bottle, like this, comes with a kind of a plastic small cap which is tightly placed on the bottle. But when you try to remove it, sometimes like accidentally you may spill the foundation. Of course the foundation is not that liquidy, but then you may like fidget, or you may tend to like accidentally meet some problem or something. You have to keep in mind that thing. So this is the inside cap, and if at all you are going to use on daily basis, I will say you just wash this up, keep it somewhere else. Don't keep again and again on this, because it is too tight to open. This is too tight. Right, now this is the inner packaging what I have told you. I will just go to Popal's website and I'll tell you the 3 shades name. Basically I had written somewhere, but I forgot where I have written, so I'll just tell you which all 3 shades it has. Right, it says NY Bay Dewy Drops, and like on the website I saw it on under new launch section, so that is why, yeah, I have, now they have included more shades, because when I ordered that time only 3 shades were there. Now they have included total 5 shades. I'll tell you the shade names also. One second. When I ordered that time, I think I'm not sure which all foundation names were there, but of course they were not full, and I cannot see the right now names also properly. I am pretty Any case, whatever are the shade names and everything, what I'll do is I'll mention it in the description box, so y'all can definitely go and check. It says smooth and light, the natural dewy finish, full coverage, super blendable and comfortable on skin. That is what y'all can see. I am checking right now the Purple's website only, Purple's app only, because when I ordered it was on like only 3 shades were available, and out of which I got 2 shades. Now they have 5 shades, so I think if you will wait for some time, maybe they will include more shades. I am not sure, but right now they have 5 shades. And I think during a demo I said 3 shades, because that time I was not aware. I am just checking right now, so I'm so sorry. It is 5 shades. I'll mention it over there also, like it is 5 shades. So I've already told you the inner packaging, but they don't have the dropper and also little bit messy. Plus I've told you inner packaging, outer packaging, I've told you MRP and everything. So now what we will do is we will move towards the demo. Yes, now I've already done the primer, done the eyebrows, and I have applied the lipstick just to be a little bit presentable. The lipstick what I have applied is Manhattan Maiden 12. It is from NYBay itself. Just because I'm going to review NYBay foundation, I try to inculcate all the NYBay products. So that is why this is the lipstick on my lips. And as I told you in the intro as well, I have purchased 2 shades, and y'all can see these are the 2 shades. Basically this happened with me in Swiss Beauty also. As you go up in the shades, the Swiss Beauty one is also having lighter shades. Same goes with this NYBay also. Y'all can see this is the shade number 9 and this is the shade number 4. Y'all can see this is frosted glass bottle, but I'll show you the swatch and everything and then we'll apply. First I'll take shade number 9. I'm not taking too much because I'm damn sure this is too light for me. See, y'all can see this is too light for my skin. Of course, from the bottle only y'all can make out it is too light for me, so I cannot use that shade. Now what I'll do is I'll just leave it that as it is, and this is shade number 4, Frappuccino. I'll just swatch a little bit. You all can see this is shade number 4, Frappuccino, and this is shade number 9, Cafe au Lait. This is 9, this is 4. So what I'll do is I'll go with the shade number 4. I'll take little bit of foundation on back of my hand, because it doesn't have, you all can see it doesn't have any dropper or anything, and actually it becomes a little bit messy, and I'm not sure of the texture as well, how it is. They say liquid, but I'm not sure how it is going to be. So I'm just trying to take out. Okay. So you all can see this is the texture. It's not too runny, it's not too thick also. Right, this is the texture of the foundation. I'll put dots. I am just trying to spread right now. On my right, as I always do, on my left I'll be using the brush, and on my right I'll be using the beauty blender. So I'll just blend the foundation. This is the beauty blender side. Now I'll just try to use now this is the brush side. I think this much is enough. I don't have to go out anywhere, so I guess, yeah, that is why because I'm not going out anywhere, I have not applied on my neck. But you don't forget the neck, you have to apply on the neck as well. I think this much is enough right now. So what I'll do is, generally I don't apply concealer while reviewing the foundation. So what I'll do, I'll just take a little bit and I'll try to conceal my under eye area as well. I won't use any concealer, just for the sake of the checking of the coverage. This is little bit going to be messy while taking out the, of course the texture is a little bit thick for a concealer, but then we have to see. So on my right I have used the blender, so I'll use the blender only. And for this I'll use, actually I should not use this brush, I should get another, but I forgot to get it right now on my desk, so I'll use this only. You all can see it has covered pretty well. So for day to day I think this foundation is good. Right, now what I'll do is I'll just go off the camera and I'll do rest of my makeup and I'll come back. Yes, now you all have already seen the demo of the foundation. As I already shown you, this is on the beauty blender side and this is the brush side. I'll just come a little bit closer just to have an idea. You all can see it is giving me a proper like not exactly matte, but not very dewy also. But since this foundation says it is dewy, but I cannot see dewiness on my skin, and my skin is pretty dry, that all you all know. Right, now you will ask me about my final thought. My final thought is like this foundation retails for 229 rupees and it is for 30 ml. Right, now in 229 rupees and plus shade range, they have only 3 shades, out of which 2 I already own, one like 9 and 4, and one of the shade is not there with me because I thought that is going to be too light for me, but even this shade is too light for me. So for dusky person, like medium, dusky and tan people, only we have one shade, that is shade number 4, Frappuccino. Now I don't know why NY Bay is doing such things, only getting 3 shades in foundation, it's not enough. And 229 rupees, of course in NY Bay during the sale times on Purple you can find lot of offers like buy 2 get 1 free, buy 2 get 2 free. That time if you at all want, you can go for this foundation, as well as you can add up 3 other items which all y'all are eyeing on it. Y'all can do that way, but still you are going to pay, let's say 229 rupees MRP, 229 rupees for 30 ml. I guess for this foundation is, if you are looking out for some day-to-day foundation, then it is okay. But if you are looking out for some heavy coverage and like all that foundation, of course I have not yet I have not layered this foundation. I've just applied one layer of foundation. You can layer it up. I have not done that since I'm not going anywhere out. I basically do not prefer heavy coverage foundation, that is full coverage. I just prefer medium to like normal to medium coverage, not full coverage. So for that purpose, if you're looking out, then this foundation is very good. And for college going, for beginners, of course this is good, only the packaging part is sucks. Right, now I've tried to cover each and every point, but still if you have anything to ask me or if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section, or else if you are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me over there also. I do make small reels of lipsticks, small reviews of some different products which I have not done on like on YouTube. I always do it on Instagram. So if you are not following me over there, please go and follow me over there. And if you have any queries or if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave it in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible and I'll try to come with the video. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yes, when I applied the foundation and all, it was at around 2 o'clock, and right now we all can see it is 10:27. So almost nearly 8 hours. One thing I want to make it very clear, I never went out anywhere because right now my son's exams are going on and I'm here almost with him full day. So I never went out. I was under the fan in the AC the whole time, and basically I do not perspire much, right? I do not sweat. So if at all you feel the foundation is as it is, like why? Because I do not perspire and I do not sweat, the foundation and all generally stays pretty well on my face, you can say that. And only the lipstick is gone, and that too because I'm fasting and I just had few fruits or maybe juice or something, that's it, and nothing else. So that is why the lipstick is little bit worn off, and I have not reapplied because in any case I'm just going to take this makeup off, right? So you will ask me my final thought. The foundation is pretty good, giving me some natural finish, the finish which I always look out for. So if at all you want to go, as now they have 5 shades, definitely you can go ahead, you can check that out. And right now the sale is also on, So they have good offers, and if at all you will use my code, you will get some discount. That is my referral code, and if you take that Elite membership and all, you will get some discounts on that also. So don't forget to use that. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.